Hey, okay, we're gonna get in. I'm gonna surprise the kids at Disneyland. I'm gonna put it in the mailbox. It's really cold. And then we're gonna get the kids to come and get it. Hold on. Where's my key? Mail key. And they don't know we're taking them to Disneyland in a couple months. So I'm gonna get them to come get the mail. Let me turn it around here. Sorry, it's not turning around. Okay. So, in we go. There it is. Okay. So we're gonna surprise them. I'm excited. Okay, kids are getting the mail. And it's in there. So they're gonna bring it home and open it together. Hi, Douglas. He's camera shy. Exciting! Hi, Doc.
Hi.
Is this a birthday card?
Yeah.
Okay, open it. And you gotta read it for everybody.
Dawson Home 228.
Okay, don't read that part. That's our address. And I might put this on the internet. I don't want everyone to know our address, right, Summer? Why don't you sit right here? Here. What does it say on the front? Congratulations. We're happy for you. You worked so hard and accomplished so much, and you deserve all the happiness and success. Okay, just read the.
To Dawson, this is not a birthday card.
Hmm? That's weird. What is
You
it?
had a lot to tell
No
the
celebrate. Here, read this one.
since you and someone
Pack.
your bags. We are going back to Disneyland in
California.
California. Can I see? Love, Mommy.
Ah! He's here somewhere. Go give Daddy a hug.
Are we doing this for my birthday?
No, not really.
No,
We're just going. They're going crazy. Ah!
Thank you.
Being bombarded with hugs.